Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Conditioner. First, after shampooing, gently squeeze excess water from your hair. Then, apply a generous amount of conditioner, focusing on your mid-lengths and ends. Avoid the scalp to prevent weighing down your roots. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the hyaluronic acid to deeply penetrate. Finally, rinse thoroughly with cool water for a smooth finish. This conditioner is fantastic because hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates each hair strand, making your hair feel incredibly soft and look much fuller. It helps to plump up your hair, giving it a noticeable bounce and shine. For best results, we recommend using it 2 to 3 times weekly. However, feel free to adjust this frequency based on your hair's unique needs and how it responds to the product. To truly maximize the benefits, always gently squeeze out excess water from your hair before applying the conditioner. This allows the product to absorb more effectively. For even distribution, use a wide-tooth comb to work the conditioner through your mid-lengths and ends. For a complete hydration boost, consider pairing it with a hyaluronic acid shampoo. Remember to avoid applying conditioner directly to your scalp. To get the best out of your conditioner, avoid using too much product. A little goes a long way. Also, ensure you rinse your hair completely to prevent any residue buildup, which can weigh your hair down. And remember, for more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Always take a moment to read the specific product instructions for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.